Apple has already removed headphone port from iPhone 7. From that, lots of company and people were criticizing Apple, but later they do the copycat of iPhone wireless AirPod. Likewise, Apple make face unlock feature with notch in iPhone with new innovative hardware. Even criticizing them, most of all companies started the trend of notch display. So in terms of innovation, every company do copycat of Apple and slowly get habituated, even criticizing Apple modifications. They go in the stream of Apple ecosystem. So can Apple remove the lightning port charger from iPhone 13 or an upcoming iPhone? To know it, watch the full video till the end. Recently, Apple has launched the MagSafe wireless charging, where phone can be charged wirelessly. But from wireless charging, obviously the charging speed of phone is slower as comparatively plugging charger in the phone. Similarly, the data transfer is slower, but however, the data transfer from iPhone is easier and already evolved from AirDrop. Xiaomi has released 100% wireless charging device. Now, when you enter in the room, your phone will automatically start charging. In that case, there was a charging hub or station where the electric fields are emitted like radio signal, and they are directly contacted with the phone so that your phone will automatically start charging. So in terms of MagSafe, there is like a dock where you put your phone. In your phone there is magnetic coil, and even in dock, when they interact, the electromagnetic field occur and your phone starts charging. That's the difference. I have made a specific video about the Xiaomi wireless charging, how it works. If you want to know, you can go directly, link in description, or just go in I button. From introduce of AirPod, MagSafe and dongle, Apple is earning extra profit selling these devices. Can Apple make wireless charging phone? And its answer is definitely yes. In the upcoming iPhone, you can see a lot of complete phone without any ports, neither headphone nor charger. Before introducing 100% wireless charging, Apple will do more improvement and well optimization in wireless MagSafe charger. So the battery can charge faster, efficiently, and data also get transferred now. Moreover, they make more profit selling on it. Lots of people and company will similarly criticize Apple again after putting bump camera in back. Apple will again give the similar statement that there was no vacant space to put other parts, so we need to discontinue lightning port. After a few criticism, people will adapt it and it become habituated and come in the stream of Apple. Lots of company will do same like Apple. In fact, 90% do copycat and follow the innovation of Apple. Apple is the biggest brand value in the context of tech and gadgets. So I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe this channel, hit like button, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.